When you're watching TV or reading the newspaper, you may have heard the word sustainability. But what does it mean?
Sustainability means that everyone tries not to be harmful to natural resources and thereby supporting the preservation of the environment. There are three different types of sustainability: the environmental, the economical, and the social sustainability. We want to inform you about the form of the first type, the sustainable nutrition.
First of all, we want to talk about the problems.
Half of the produced gases are caused of the livestock production, especially in the dairy and meat industries. The livestock production causes more gases than the whole transport in the world. Many cattle are being kept and there's even more needed. The problem is that they emit a lot of methane gas, which isn't positive for the greenhouse effect.
A large amount of soy is needed for the production of concentrated feed, which the animals need for growing fast and getting a big diet. For the cultivation of soy is a lot of arable farmland needed.
That wouldn't be a big problem if there was enough farmland, but there isn't. Plenty of open and green spaces have been turned into suitable land for cultivation and, of course, that isn't good for the climate. A third of all arable farmland is used for growing concentrated feed for the livestock. Climate damaging is the huge amount of fertilizer which is used. The gases are being held in the Earth's atmosphere for a very long time.
There would be an extremely big problem if the number of the needed livestock increases in the future, what means that there is needed a bigger amount of arable farmland and fertilizer.
Is there a climate-friendly solution?
Sure, the only thing we have to do is to think about our eating habits. We do not have to renounce eating meat, but maybe we should consume it in moderation and eat other animals instead of beef. Get fresh products like fruits, vegetables, whole grain products, potatoes, pulses, milk, and dairy products. Reduce the consumption of meat, fish, and eggs. The 7 principles of a sustainable nutrition leads to the whole food nutrition.
Favor plant-based food, mainly vegetarian products. Environmental produced food. Regional and seasonal products. Favor little processed food. Fair traded products. Conserve resources at home. Have appreciatively and digestible meals.
We want to show you a sustainable meal we cook together. It's called mealput and it is a traditional food in our region, East Frisia. 500 gram flour, a packet of yeast, a quarter liter lukewarm milk, 60 gram sugar, 60 gram margarine and 1 egg. At first you need to put flour, margarine and the egg in a mixing bowl. Dissolve the sugar in the lukewarm milk and add the yeast. Stir everything. Pour it into the mixing bowl. Knead it until it gets a smooth dough. Now you have to form it into a ball. Grease a microwave suitable bowl and put the dough in it. Cover the bowl with a cloth for about 1 hour and leave it to the rest a warm place. Afterwards you need to put it in a microwave for 10 to 12 minutes. At the end you can serve the mealput with a vanilla sauce and peas.